Chibare Dambodelaine, Sazinagan, Zamala, and Tashtele Sijui. Rechize, and English doing Imagita, Zajato, de Matutanda, Chalane, Kangurumbachigi, the Losher Ishigi, Chola, Mixigi Likung, Dan Dinsapa, you are in a Kondang, in a Galnetidogan, Zundegi Tone, and a Kudijua did so, Tava, any Gelon, and also. Pegugi and Gelon that in some months, Gelon Silver so and Neden deba, the Chusung deba, the Legita Dorduna, the Nagazoji, Asia Kungla Yubeki, and Gelon the Patsu and Azo Churujene, so Duegi, Chale, Yamlengi Tolangazo, Mandawa Kande, Dawa Kare, Yan Lumba Sosola, Challenge Yamle, Lumba Jambala, never did the Karikare, Digidi Tola. Kangurum Ngaman, Duazimba Sone, and Duling Nanas in the Kachik Payore, and the Jizungi, Tandengazo, and Kudi did the Longagi Ringla, the Talogi Chadel Chajagan, Sri Lankan Gilon Jonga Yore, Telene Gilon Jonga Yore, Nazo Pegugi, Desakane, and Gilon Jonga, Gishi Jonga Yore, a Konamazo, that dear Sangi, Unje Kangurum and Unje Naya, this Sangin de la young. Kevadindegi de Tola and a column Najene, Shiga and a dwelling so the Talogi Sudi and a Jibun Lalo selling down Gomanigi and a Kotik and a Lord Jamana Zudusi emerging in the Sajabalaju, Soagi, Church, the Juji Chikbare, Duarangi, Chale, Yamne, Azu Gelong Dubdu, Karakari Gugi, Gitsu Dubdu, Kandekande Gugi, Samba Kandekande Gugi, and Kwanzu Gelong Dub Savage, Azuji Chojona, Lobjong, Lobso Karakari Gugi. A day, Chikbare, that they call Nima Chingi Nala Saraji Marwa, the Sosa and a Page, Lochola, Dundani, Nimachonga Zuchik, and Mutune, Soya de Juji Kang Davode, and Duegi, Chaling Yamlenda, Sorjon Sodan, and a Yanet Sodan, Gelon Dubdan, Gitsu Dubdan, Dikudi, so in a Jayor, the Tolangazo, Pegugi, Gelonzugi, the Shikishanambagi Dishanayore, Koranzuge, and a Dendishanayore. And the Jene, and Azo Digida Chazan. Sri Lanka, and Nimajonga Zuji, and the Telenla, and Nimajonga Zuji, Koranzo, Yan Gombanala, Chaling Yamne Kade, Nangudu, Digi Gelon, the Pagapin, Pagilon, the Zukicha, the Chazan Naya, in the Pagin Koranzo Pen, Dig, Azo Pepe Gindum, the Sogande, Sogio, Gomgandis, Gagio, Soba Kandet Sogi, Dito, the Chazan, and a Gulen de Naya, and so did he.